How to redeem Apple gift card on iPhone. If you wish to redeem your Apple ID gift card on iPhone, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now for this, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch our App Store. Once we launch our App Store, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now, tap on the Apple ID profile located at the top right hand side of the screen. Over here you will see many options, but to redeem our gift card, select the option that says redeem gift card or code button that you can see here, and then make sure to tap on it. Then once you tap on redeem gift card or code, you can choose to use a camera to scan the gift card code manually and it will scan the card for you, or you can enter the code manually. So from the bottom you can find this option that says enter code manually. Just tap on it, enter your gift card code. Once you enter them, tap the redeem button. If your code is correct, depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully redeemed within your account. And this way you'll be able to redeem Apple gift card on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.